to program transponder for Chinese Haojue by MOTOPRO new adapter.
Chinese Haojue. Our new adapter. Use MOTOPRO make a new key picture, and we can recording picture and choose the pin name. All value. Okay, you can see here with the resistor. Okay, control the resistor. If we don't turn on, come on. So let me check with the data. Okay. Communication failed project. We need to connect one to resistor. So need to check here one key resistor. 不联动。OK。Turn on with data field. Where is it? Okay. Make. No. Okay. Right. Yeah. This is all. Start back. All done.